Ever wonder how the rich get richer? Here are 5 wealth secrets they don't want you to know. First, they invest smart. It's not about working harder, but putting their money in appreciating assets like real estate and stocks. Second, they know the power of networking. Surrounding themselves with like-minded, successful people helps them access opportunities the average person can't. Third, the wealthy leverage other people's money. They use debt strategically to grow their empires. Fourth, they minimize risks by diversifying their investments, making sure they're never overexposed. And finally, they understand tax optimization, using legal strategies to keep more of their money. These are the tactics they use to stay on top. Start thinking like the wealthy today.
Do you ever wonder why schools don't teach us about money? Is it just a coincidence, or is there something bigger going on? In today's video, we're going to uncover the secrets the wealthy use to build financial empires, secrets they're not eager to share. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why financial education is your key to breaking free from the paycheck-to-paycheck grind. 1. Why school doesn't teach money. Traditional education is designed to create employees, not entrepreneurs. It's no accident that you were taught to get a job, but never how to make money work for you. The system isn't broken, it's built this way. If you want financial independence, you'll need to seek real-world knowledge, not rely on school. 2. The entrepreneur's mindset. Entrepreneurs understand that working for a paycheck limits your potential. They focus on creating wealth by acquiring assets that generate income, not by trading time for money. The real secret: wealthy individuals never focus on earning a paycheck. Instead, they play a different game altogether. 3. The monopoly formula for success. One of the simplest, yet most powerful strategies for building wealth can be found in the game of Monopoly. For greenhouses, One Red Hotel, it's all about acquiring assets and multiplying them. This is the same strategy that turns small properties into billion-dollar real estate deals, like the Hyatt Regency in Waikiki. 4. Real teachers versus fake teachers. Not all education is created equal. Rich people don't rely on traditional teachers, they learn from those who practice what they teach. Whether it's business, real estate, or investing, you need to surround yourself with mentors who live and breathe financial. 5. Shift your mindset from I can't to how can I. The biggest difference between rich and poor isn't money, it's mindset. When you say, I can't afford it, your mind shuts down. Instead, the wealthy ask, how can I afford it? This simple change in thinking unlocks new possibilities and forces you to look for solutions rather than excuses. The rich aren't successful because they're lucky. They have a different understanding of money, opportunity, and education. The choice is yours. Will you continue to follow the traditional path, or will you start learning the real secrets of wealth building today? So if you want to break free from financial limitations, hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's continue this journey together, learning the rules the rich play by and using them to build your own financial freedom. If you found value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content that will help you on your financial journey.